Hi guys, welcome back. Let's go, and in 11th session, let's talk about something very important. It's very useful for your presentation. You can use it very well. Link. As you can see, you can find link in insert and here. The link is here. But why we can't use it here? It has a unique use. Because of that, we need to prepare something for using it. Let's first create another blank space. After creating that, let's insert a shape here. And let's insert a shape here. Okay, let me just put some new slide here. Okay, it's good. Now, let me put it here. When we present something, the slide is going. Let me just put a number in each of them for better thing. Let me 1. No, this thing, no. 200, a little more. Okay. Let me put it in the middle. A line. Okay, let me 3, 1, 2, 4. I'm just making this slide as invisible for the tutorial we are going through today. Okay, it's good. We created. Now what we are going to do, whenever you present your presentation, it's going something like this from 1 to 7. But sometimes you don't want it to go like that. What we can do, we just click on this shape, go to insert and insert a link. After clicking that, this page opened. What we are going to do, we are going to learn about the parameters we have here. We can link it to the existing files or web page, place in the document, create a new document, email address, or anything else. For now, we just click here. I'm going to tell you about all the things here, but at first learn about what link do and then do that. We go here and choose the slide 7 and then press OK. Now, if we present, when we come on this rectangle, as you can see, the cursor change. And when we click on that, it go to page 7, not page 3. Look again. It's linking our destination with the parameter we have. For example, we can also link this. Link this to slide 2. And whenever we click here, let's run it again. Whenever we click here, we go to slide 2. Some of you may ask, what does it need it for? You see something really amazing in the presentation. Sometimes maybe you see, maybe or not. Someone go to insert and from icons, my connection is interrupted. Let me make it. Someone go to, okay, it's connected. Someone go to icons and wait a little for it to load and happen something like this. And maybe some of these items. And what they do after importing these items, what they do, they just simply copy, paste this item here for clicking to going to next page and the page back. It's really neat and amazing, but the most useful thing for it is that we can go and create some amazing options. For example, think about, you have 4 topics. For example, topic 1, and 2, 3, 4. Let me just increase them in size to be more visible. And then you have one slide for each of them. You have, for example, this slide for this slide for this, and this slide for this, and this slide for this. And let me just copy that here. What we create, we just link this shapes to the slide we want, for example, to topic 1 and 2, 3, 4. Let me just 4. Okay. And then what we do, we want to view each one of them and then go back to this list. How we do that? We just simply link this to the list page. And then don't forget, whenever you copy a shape with a link, the link just gonna be copied. Let me show you how. For example, we are here, we want to go to topic 4, and then by pressing here, we are back. And we can make it smoother for you to see. We are going to teach you about transition, but just for now, we can make it something like this. We can create a transition for it and make it more beautiful. Okay, you maybe understand the concept of insert and link, but if you don't understand, don't be upset, because we are going to learn it a little by little. But let's go and learn link and the setting we have here. You can link it to the existing file or browse web. You can link it to anything you want. For example, let me just link it to the one of our past tutorials and then run it. Whenever you copy on it, it's going to take time. But you see, it's open our past presentation for the link, or we can link it to something else. We can link it to a page, to a YouTube page with whatever we want, or we can create a new document or link it to email addresses. For example, in the past of your presentation, you have a blank space and you put your references here. For example, www.google.com. This is my reference. And then I go here to insert a link, go to browse web page, and I just simply google.com. I just simply link it to google.com. Okay, let me from recent file. No, browse page. Okay, you can add from email address. Sorry, I make a mistake. You can add a web page here too by searching here and then finding the web page and adding to it. I will tell you in the details about this. But just for now, you must learn a little about link. But also, I tell you, this is a complete understanding of link. And whatever you do from here now, it's only about how creative you can use the link. Okay, this is just the end of this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are going to learn more and more about any options we have in the next lessons. Have a good time.